So yeah, as you can see, the clouds are pretty amazing. There's a lot of clouds here, and I got perfect timing to go to the swim because the current is a bit strong. But yeah, still great. It's pretty great time to relax your mind and relax your body. Since a bit here, good to walk. So we have time to go to the beach and have some fun. So indeed, pretty amazing. Just have some walk here and hear the sound. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Awesome, good. View. So nice. So yeah, this beach is in Boracay Albay, and Kami Boracay, Kami in the Philippines, Albay. So nice. Woo. Narito tayo ngayon sa Boracay Albay, sa hindi Coron. Maganda ang beach. Ayun. Walang libre lang, walang bayad. Pwede na mag-stay dyan sa mga cottage na yan. So kung lang mag-campis lang. Ayun. Kaya ano ngayon? 8:30. Sarap mainit. Sarap yung tubig sa dagat. Saka relaxing.